Hi, I'm Janelle Marie, and we are here with Michael Laub, president of USA Bath, talking about bath remodels and the company and everything. All right, so Michael, let's talk about materials. Why is acrylic a great product for a bath or shower remodel?
So acrylic's a relatively new material used in bath remodeling.
Okay.
And it's gaining a lot of popularity very quickly.
Oh.
And the reason is it has the absolutely best mix of qualities for what you're looking to do in the wet area.
Okay.
Remember, the wet area problems typically come from damage or access. Well, in terms of damage, it's all about water getting through behind the walls underneath the floor. Well, acrylic, it's strong, it's durable, it's customizable, it's beautiful now. It used to be kind of available in white or biscuit. Now it's in a full range of colors and styles.
Oh, I like that.
It is absolutely the best in terms of ease of maintenance and cleaning. And it's just the best in terms of overall value. So we love it. But most importantly, when people are looking to remodel their bathrooms, what they're really looking to do is do it once and never again.
Exactly.
If you just have to do it 5 years later, what was the point? Acrylic is non-porous.
Oh,
the problems in bath remodeling come from water seeping through the tile, right? Tile is beautiful, but it's porous. Grout is porous. So it's no surprise at all that after 5, 10, 20 years, water's going to get through and create that damage. So we love tile, but it's not the best material for the wet area where all the water is. So that's why we love it. And actually, it was relatively unknown until about 10 or 15 years ago, and now it's becoming the go-to for bath remodeling.
I think people just thought it was bland. And then you're talking about cleaning, you just wipe it down?
Pretty much.
And then can everybody just go to usabath.com and find all the types of acrylic and see everything?
Absolutely. We'll walk you through all the choices.
Really? You're telling us there's a lot of choices out there for acrylic?
There are,
I believe
and it's beautiful.
All right, great information. Thank you so much, Michael. Click on any of these videos to learn more or give USA Bath a call.